Savor the riverfront lifestyle in the spectacular, updated floating home in prestigious Macadam Bay Moorage. It's a premium location between the Selwood Bridge and John's Landing, conveniently close to parks, zoo pans, restaurants, and entertainment options. Enjoy all that the Willamette River has to offer in this unique home with a rooftop deck, offering 360-degree views of the river and the Selwood Bridge. Heading inside, you'll find a captivating light-filled interior with a cozy gas fireplace and a contemporary modern design. A covered deck is perfect for year-round relaxation. The updated kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family and is ready for gatherings or just taking in the views while creating your favorite cuisine. The main floor features 2 bedrooms, including a spacious primary suite. It opens to a large deck, including a lower area for launching kayaks and paddleboards. You'll find a well-appointed primary bath and a large walk-in closet with a washer and dryer. This home is move-in ready and ensures a seamless transition into your new riverfront lifestyle. From the kitchen, head up to the rooftop deck, where you can entertain or just relax and unwind in the hot tub, while taking in the river views, which include activities throughout the year, from the 4th of July fireworks to the Christmas ship parade. A fantastic opportunity for an incredible floating home with 360-degree views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.